Just because you see the way somebody else runs their course, puts together their program, that doesn't mean that that's the right way for you to do it. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses in digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Sonia here with Jump First. I hope that you're having a fantastic start to your day. Great morning to you. Let's talk about this really quickly. We do not need another boring course, okay? So if you're new here, we talk all things premium online courses and face-to-face courses, luxury mentorship and coaching brands, all of those awesome things, and how you can start to use your life experiences to really package something unique that's going to help people and impact people globally. Okay, shameless plug. If you're interested in learning how to package your knowledge, your expertise, go to jumpfirstacademy.org. Okay, let's get into this. Great morning. What's going on, IG? I see you on as well. Let me know where you are currently watching from or what time it is where you currently are. If you're new here to the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop and we can hang out live. All right, let's talk about this really quickly. We don't need another boring course, okay? I know you see courses out there, and I talked a little bit about this yesterday, but I talked more specifically to the strategy when it comes to social media content, right? Putting those things out and how we can see people using different strategies that may not necessarily align with what it is that we want to accomplish or our unique personalities. Same is true with your courses, okay? Just because you go through a course, an online course, and I know by now we've all taken at least one, okay? It just is what it is. It's the way of the world. Online courses aren't going anywhere. And so just because you see the way somebody else runs their course, puts together their program, that doesn't mean that that's the right way for you to do it, okay? You have to create courses that are just as unique as your personal brand, your personality, right? Who it is that you are. The messages that come across even this screen on this channel, on my social media pages, they're not going to be for everyone. And I'm okay with that. You got to be okay with that. Your courses won't be for everyone. Your social media content won't be for everyone. Like, you won't be for everyone, okay? And that is absolutely okay, because the people that you are for, the people your content is meant for, the people that your courses are meant for, they're going to find you, and they're going to find what it is that you're saying to them attractive in a way that's going to help move them forward and really impact their lives, okay? My goal for premium courses specifically is sustainable impact. It's not just about somebody taking the course, going through the course just to say that they've completed it. That's one of my qualms and one of my issues with traditional education, okay? And I promised myself in starting Jump First, this is going to be different, okay? This is not necessarily traditional education. You can bring forth the things that you want to teach people in the most entertaining ways. Like your courses won't look like my courses, and that's absolutely okay. There are a lot of folks that I get to work with, and people ask me all the time, like, they have these very unique niches, and they're like, I want to teach a course about, let's say, nonprofits, for instance. So I've worked with folks who have created very profitable, sustainable courses. They're still going to this day, 3-4 years later. My clients are teaching people how to start their nonprofits. I have other people who were interested in how can I help specifically religious leaders maintain their nonprofit statuses, okay? Like these very specific niches. And just because, and some of the questions that come up are, have you ever seen this course, right? Or have you ever worked with someone who's done such and such topic? And it's like, yes, but your course won't look like theirs. And it shouldn't. I don't want it to. You shouldn't want it to. You should want to bring your unique personality, your edge to the market. That's what's going to set you apart, and that's what's going to help the people you're meant to serve. So very, very important. Good morning, Clifford. It's good to see you in New Jersey in the building. I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day as well. Blessings back to you. What's going on, Luis? Good to see you here. It's good to have you here. Hello, hello. Zoltan says, that's good. I appreciate that. I'm glad that this is making sense and this is resonating. Envy, what's up? Taha, hello. It's good to see you all on. So I needed to bring this really quickly, okay? You know, I like these short, punchy messages that get straight to the point because there's too much fluff out here. And this is not what this channel is about. This channel is really about bringing you these straightforward, new, exciting ideas that are going to help move you forward, okay? Bring your charisma to your courses. Bring your energy. Bring your quirkiness. Bring your weirdness. Bring all of those things to your courses. That's what your students are looking for. That's what they're going to sign up for. You know, I used to kind of, I don't know, I guess I would consider myself shy or introverted, right, growing up. And I would kind of stay to myself, but I always had these unique qualities and this quirkiness that was kind of like weird, right, in my opinion, during those days. And was kind of like just different from most people. And I've learned to embrace those things, like those things that make me quirky and make me nerdy and make me weird. I like to research and I like to study stuff, and I tell corny jokes sometimes, but those are the things that my clients find most fascinating, and those are the reasons that they come on board and start working with me. Like, they enjoy those things about me, and I've embraced them. You have to embrace your quirkiness. Pro tip, okay? Embrace your quirkiness. Embrace the things that set you apart. Embrace the things that people consider weird. Weird is not a bad thing, okay? It's just stuff that separates you and makes you different. Embrace those things. When you start embracing those things, other people will too, and you'll start to attract your community, attract the people who are meant to, I call them destiny helpers, right? People who are meant to forward your destiny, but also you are meant to impact their destiny forward as well, okay? So I needed to bring this really quickly. K5 says death is inevitable. Absolutely. That's been happening. There's been a lot of that around that I've been seeing in this latter half of the year. And I've definitely talked a lot about that on this channel as well, about how it is inevitable. And I feel like because of that, right, it pushes me to live out this destiny. It pushes me to live out this purpose as far as I can, because we never know when it's coming, right? And so, and nobody likes to talk about it. It's like considered this taboo thing, but like, it's coming, right? So what are you doing in the meantime? What are you doing to ensure, you know, that you live out your full purpose, that you are impacting the lives that are going to come after you, all of those things. And so that's why I teach courses. That's why I teach people to embrace their unique personalities and teach what it is that they know. You have very unique experiences, things that you've picked up and you've learned throughout this lifetime. Doesn't matter how old you are watching this right now. You can be 10 years old watching this, and literally think about it like this. At 10, you have a decade worth of life experience, okay? Something that you've learned in that decade, you can teach to somebody else, okay? We're never too old or too young to teach or to learn. If you're interested in packaging your courses, your unique experiences into the format of a course to help somebody else, go to jumpfirstacademy.org to get started. I'm also teaching a free live class this Thursday. I'm super excited about it. I always love when I get to teach live. I'm going to be going deeper and showing you the unique strategies that you can use to not just package your course, but also to start marketing and selling your courses globally at those higher price points. If that's something you're interested in, go to jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. I also dropped the link in the description below. It is application only. I like to maintain the integrity. It is a free class, but I want to maintain the integrity of that class and make sure that the folks who are showing up, okay, are ready to move themselves forward and take action so that they can help others. So again, jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP is where you want to go to jump into the free class I'm teaching this Thursday. Maurice Allen Music, what's going on? Blessings back to you. I hope that you're having an amazing day. All right, y'all, that's all I got for today. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this beautiful day, okay? Make it extraordinary on purpose and keep believing in you, because I believe in you. I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Bye, y'all.